Luthra sir, thank you for joining Motor India's coverage here at ACMA Automechanika 2026. We are at beautiful Luthra's pavilion here, celebrating 40th year. What are you communicating? What is the message this year for aftermarket?
The message for is this: Modi ji just has a vision, and we are just there to execute everything. And we are presently in 76 countries, all the 6 continents, doing everything in house. We don't buy anything, and we are in OEMs as well as the Western market, and of course in a 76 countries around the world, 6 continents. So it's always a pleasure. The government is with us, they are supporting us. We are thankful to ACMA and Automechanika for exhibiting such a good show, giving us a chance to show our product, what we are doing for last 40 years. They have always helpful, and we are really thankful to them for their beautiful organization and their help, always ready to give you guidance and better opportunity around the world. So we exhibit almost around 10 to 12 exhibitions around the world. So it's always an opportunity to show our new items.
And with your experience, 40 years of legacy, how has the product basket evolved? If you can take me through the products, which is the brake disc and the flywheel, how much improvement it has happened? What are you showcasing this year?
You see, we started with trading, and then we slowly, in 85, we moved into the manufacturing. And from then, we are not looking back. Every year, we are growing by 20% every year. And ultimately, when my son did his engineering, then we started focusing on the flywheels, and now we are the largest exporter of flywheels around the world. We have the biggest range for flywheels, and we do commercial, we do passenger, we do tractors, and we do almost anything in the automobile. We are there.
Which are the markets, regions in India that you are strong, and what about the markets that you are focusing more on?
We are always known as the playback single. We are the white labeling company. We make good brands for good companies around India. The biggest companies in India, we are the single vendor for our product, and we are happy when they see, because we still think the goodwill of their company is much bigger than what we carry. So we are always cautious to make our product so good, so they do not have any problem in goodwill of their company.
And in exports markets, which are the markets, regions you have?
We do almost like we have all the 6 continents. So our orders keep coming. Sometime from America is the biggest market. Then we have Europe. We have almost Latin America. So right from New Zealand, Australia to Chile, Peru, we are almost everywhere.
And in terms of OE versus the aftermarket, which is currently holding the highest dominance in terms of revenue for you, in terms of value?
Right now, because of we were majorly a white label company, making labels for people, so we were focused on that. But last 3 years we are focusing on the OEMs, and we are now in 6 companies, OEMs, supplying them OEM parts, and slowly moving into this line, expanding. First we had the 1 factory, now we have 3 factories doing everything in-house. We don't buy any only the raw material we buy from outside. Everything else we do in-house.
Wonderful.
And that also in the one premises where every can see that what we speak, it is there.
And in terms of manufacturing, where is your manufacturing location?
We are located in Agra, at the national highway on the NH19, and we started our operation in 81, sorry, from 81. We are in this line doing this
And how strong is your distribution network, your channel partners,
Distributor,
retailers?
we did not start anything because we are a father and son team. We did not appoint any salesman because we do not want that our salesman should go in the market and speak that we are supplying to so and so and so and so company. So we keep that a secret.
Okay,
So to whom we are supplying.
got it. So you manage it from one team.
Me, father and son, we both manage it, and it is up to us. We believe in strong that we have to
Relationship.
keep the secrecy, and we have to keep their brands because their brand have a very bigger value than what we carry.
And finally, what is the promise that you give to customers?
Our promise is that we will never let you down. We are always there, and we know what our customer needs and what he is comfortable with, and we always take care of his all the factors where he is comfortable to sell, and he doesn't face any problem.
Be it respect to quality, durability, price.
So we have a tier 16949 company, and we are almost, like I said you, we have 14,001, we are 18,000, we are approved by all good quality systems. So everything right from the quality checking, even our company is the one who make even the boxes what we make in house. We don't buy from outside to be sure of the quality. So if we make a box in house, we have the bus testing machines, we have the paper testing machine, so that whatever we make, because everything what we make in the plant is our child, and we stand responsibility for that. We take responsibility for what we manufacture. So everything we do in house, so that my customer is happy, and we have customers. I have customers from whom I was buying items when I was trading, and I am very happy. After 40 years, I am supplying to them from where I was buying. I am on date supplying to them.
And
So that is the good part of the company. The customers I was buying product from them, now I am supplying to them.
wonderful. And in terms of how excited are you with the ACMA Automechanika 2026?
Always. We
and the
take
rest of
part
the
in
year?
almost around the world in ACMA and Automechanika, and always are grateful for their services, for their help. Always they are there to help you. So that's way how we are going. We started participating with them.
Correct.
Till date, we are
Wonderful. And in terms of near to medium term goals, any specific targets for 2026 in terms of sales, in terms of market regions that you want to achieve?
We are when we are going. God is very kind. He gives you everything, so it comes automatically. If you make quality, the sales keep on increasing.
Perfect.
Your customer have faith on you. They are still relying on you. They are with you for 30 years, 35 years. The same is with our staff. Whatever the old staff we had, they are still continuing. So that's the motto of the company, to be associated with whoever was with us. They are still with us.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Mr. Luthra.
So
and we wish you
thank you.
all the best for the rest of the day.
Thank you very much.